In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create professional quotes in HubSpot. Whether you're just getting started or need a quick refresher, this guide will make the process simple and easy to follow. First, log into your HubSpot account and head to your CRM. This is where all your contacts, companies, and deals are stored. To create a quote, you'll need to pick the record that matches the client, company, or deal you're working with. Selecting the correct record is important because the quote will be linked directly to it. Once inside the record, look at the right sidebar and find the Quotes section. Click the plus Add button to start creating a new quote. From here, you can customize the quote to fit your business and your client's needs. Start by adding the products or services included in this quote. Make sure to include client-specific details like names, addresses, and any identifiers to keep everything accurate. Next, add your terms and conditions to outline responsibilities and any important legal info. If you have extra details, you can also include notes. Don't forget to set a date of issue and assign a unique quote number for easy tracking. After your quote is complete, you have a few options to share it. You can download it as a PDF, send it directly via email, or share it through a link, whichever method works best for you. And that's it. Creating a quote in HubSpot is straightforward, and by following these steps, you can make sure every quote is professional, accurate, and tailored to each client. And that's how you create quotes in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.